We have our 2cm bathroom vanity top here. You have it laid out. What's different than it normally would be?
Well, this is a little more than a vanity top. This is the Soterra 28 by 96 inch, 2 centimeter pre-finished blank radius corners. What we're going to do with this is create a curb cap out of this section. Because the shower is so long, we have to do a custom curb cap. So we're going to have maximum material yield by using this section for the curb cap. And we've laid out the vanity top in this section here. We're able to utilize these edges because they're pre-finished, and we've actually laid out in tape and cut our tape to the size of the undermount finished rim.
Now, do we also have to rod this?
Yes, it's always a good rule that anything that gets a hole gets a rod in it, so we'll flip this over prior to doing the bowls and do the rods. What we're also going to do is lay out for the faucet holes here.
I notice that's kind of large.
Yeah, this is the flange from it, and if you look, it gets pretty tight in here, so what we've opted to do is use the Soterra thin panel material for the backsplashes, and that'll give us two advantages. It'll allow us some room to clean back in here for maintenance. It'll also allow us to come up higher on the backsplash, which is what the customer wants. They want the mirror to drop down on top of that. So with a standard 4-inch splash, they wouldn't be able to do it.
All right, so what do we do next?
Well, all we have to do is start cutting the curb cap out, and we'll slice off the end of our vanity. We'll have a little bit of material left over that we can use for something else in the shower, a seat or a shelf.
Right.
And